Come no man.
My name is Gyal and this is the YIP Verified YouTube channel. It is always important for you to like the video and subscribe. Like this video and subscribe. Now a video jump out with a popular selector, you understand. Them say a Portmore him come from. Is known from Portmore, a popular selector when name Shotta. And the video forward out with a note, you understand. I'm going to read the note for you shortly. Now the video jump out and them I say, yo, in the junk in the video while them eat some front. You get what me I say? So then basically I say I people trick him. At least the girl where I eat, she trick him and make him eat the front and she video the man and put out the man and thing. Yeah. I know say I have some people that say, oh, when the junk you talk the truth, so when if him junk and him do that, that means that him want to do. Well, it not look that way there. To me and to the people them we are going to think critically, to the people them see the video, because why is it a 2-second video? And in the 2-second video we see him move him head from in front of the girl. Now man not defend him in a crowd and if him actually do it, I want to do them something about him getting chance. No. But anyway, in the videos with them saying did fully drunk, you understand, him not know himself and the girl force him to do it. Now the video we hear the cat here say, yo, come now like she, you know when he has to do somebody, but the fact that him under him rum and thing, him drunk, him fully drunk, he not know himself, that is not seducing, you understand. But watch this again, I'm going to slow down and explain for the people and understand what me really say. Them say the man drunk in the video, you understand, it understands him drunk, fully drunk, not know himself, and the girl see the opportunity there and whatever she bring him to her house or wherever and strip whatever, bring down the man in front of her and say, yo man, while she record him on a video and probably she just get a look at 2 seconds. Out of the entire video she make her just 1-2 seconds out of him eat the thing, or it appears him eat it, but probably not do nothing, probably she just put on him head down there. And even though him drunk, I don't even want to say him realize, but if it can't, if that not in him fi actually do it, even when him drunk, him not gonna do it. So if you put him down and him realize that happen, he might pull back himself. Kind of the video him actually pull back himself when the video start pull back himself. And I did actually, I foot them, they dip on him head, I hold on him head. While she lay down shoes, I put her foot them round him neck back. And a brace down him head in her front, you understand? And when you look upon him here, you can see say, yeah, it appear, it symbolize say him drunk. As well people say, as well everybody say, him eyes look that way there, you understand? It symbolize say him drunk, him the drunk for true. And before I read the note, I gotta say this. Me enough people say, if the girl actually, if him did actually drunk and the girl take advantage of him, why am I go to the police? For other people, them things are not easy for just go to police. So a thing like that where you embarrass boy, you possibly can kill yourself. It's not easy to go to police and you know Jamaican police there. You're probably gonna tell them that a girl wait and make you eat them. Them laugh off you and make it worse. So in a them scenario, in a things like this one to people where them shame and them embarrass and them need support, them need people for rally back at them. Not talk people on internet, people at them personal life for come rally back at them and show support for them, but we know Jamaican people stay. From you put your head down there, you're gone, so them don't want no dealings to deal with you. All when a text somebody take advantage of you, them don't want no dealings with you. And on another hand, what if he was a strong man? Not in the physical sense, but in the mental sense, him strong enough to know, so even if that reach him all over, no really mentally strong man that not gonna reach. But so let's say that reach you're drunk and that reach you and you find out, girl show your video with you and way. A man can kill a woman, you know. We do that to him, you know. Just go shoot her or stab her or whatever, me not encourage it, I'm just saying. You do somebody like that and them strong enough not to get depressed over the situation, them can come bust a shot in your head or something. And remember, me not encourage it, I'm not supporting killing of any sort, but just I say it is possible. Now I'm gonna show you and read the note to the man's left. The note to the man left, it appears as if it's a suicide note. This is it. Uno done see the pre and know what go on, just no in and no talking. And if uno not hear back from me or see me, I just life. Just know my love and respect uno. The girl set me up wicked, don't know what she do to me. All me know, me did fast as fuck, but see you all in a next life. I'm out. Love me kids them, but can't bear all of this. Me gone now. Well, in a the Nyam front sense, people don't have it to say you're gone already from them see the video. That for the people them we see the video only. Them don't have it to say you're gone, brother. But no, put fun and joke aside. People no look back on the hear the man say, I said him get set up. Him actually said him get set up. And I want to see the people that may come talk about. We are going to come defend the woman. I want to see it. And I not defend him, you know, but I also not defend she. But him for drink responsibly. If I drink, him actually drink and junk. But what if I something she drop in him drink? We not hear about that part there yet. But if I him actually drink and get that junk, better if you drink responsibly. And that drink responsible talk there, it only make you feel guilty when you drink and junk, you know. Them if I run backland where them put drink responsibly. Why not just stop sell liquor overall? Why not make liquor illegal? Or rather alcohol, the one where make you drunk. Why we not just make it illegal? Cause enough people drink and drunk and go crash and kill people. You understand? But back to the topic, I want to know what you think about the situation. Who you think wrong or what? What you think? You think the girl, nothing wrong with the girl though? Uno, what uno think? Make uno own a assessment. Stop follow back what people say. Look into the situation and tell me uno think. Based on all I want to explain. The man did junk and it look like the girl force him head down there and thing. Or for the people that already see the video and now they hear the note where the dog left. We don't know if him actually take him life, but it's a suicide. It's definitely a suicide note. I hope him not do it, you understand? Suicide is real. A lot of people take them own life. I hope him not do it. People, this is not a situation where a man willingly go eat front. You understand that? It appears it is not a situation where the man willingly go near front. So, let me know what you think. You understand? The comment section is there. Remember, it is very important for you to like the video and subscribe. And follow me personally on Instagram, ught. Follow me on Instagram, ught. You can also follow YIP Verified Instagram. Like the video and subscribe. Big up on yourself.
Pussy, I'm gonna prove it to you. Yeah, man. Youngsters say investment, I mean, your VMBS or the stock market or the stock exchange say, yo, them get no farmer increase. That no influence nobody. You see me? Youngsters say farming. I hear rather come out and say, yo, we've had an increased number of young people showing an interest in farming. We hear nothing like that. You see me? Briscoe got some bombs now say code. And the whole little pitney them parents start to insure upon everything and start with a bag of fuckery. You see me? Now the youth them start do it because them see them parents and make one trend popular. And all of a sudden dance all this and dance all that. So dance all never this and that when them a sing song about positive things and nobody never pay attention to it. Eh? Why only when the pitney them and them parents take up the fuckery, dance all this and dance all that. Bunty sing book and that a least popular Bunty killer song. Bunty big up on your earth strong too.